In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Chime to Wells Fargo. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will ensure your transaction goes smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help prevent any interruptions during the process. Once your app is open, you'll be greeted by the home screen. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Move Money section. This is where you'll be able to manage all your transactions and transfers. Before proceeding, it's crucial to have your Wells Fargo account linked to your Chime account. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to add it through the app's account settings. Linking your account is a one-time setup, so once it's done, transferring money will be a breeze in the future. Now, in the Move Money section, you'll select your Chime account as the sender, which is essentially the from account. Next, choose your Wells Fargo account as the receiver, or the to account. This step is straightforward but important, as it ensures the funds are directed to the correct destination. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure to double-check this amount to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the desired sum, tap the transfer button. The app will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. This confirmation step is a great opportunity to review all the details once more, ensuring everything is accurate before you finalize the transfer. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Chime to Wells Fargo. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it. Remember, the convenience of mobile banking is all about making your financial transactions as seamless as possible. If this is your first time, don't worry. With a little practice, it'll feel like second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or reach out to customer support. Enjoy the ease of transferring money effortlessly between your accounts.